Welcome to all viewers on my YouTube channel Legal and Political Knowledge 29. Today's my topic is Sale of Good Act 1930. Contents: Number 1 Section Short Title Extent and Commencement. Number 2 Definition. Number 3 Section Application of Provision of Act 9 of 1872. Chapter 2 Formation of the Contract. Section 4 Sale and Agreement to Sale. Section 5 Contract of Sale How Made. Section 6 Existing or Future Goods. Section 7 Good Pricing Before Making of Contract. Section 8 Good Pricing Before Sale but after agreement to sell. Section 9 Agreement of Price. Section 10 Agreement to sell at valuation. Section 11 Stipulation as to time. Section 12 Condition and Warranty. Section 13 When condition to be treated as warranty. Section 14 Implied undertaking as to the title, etc. Section 15 Sale by description. Section 16 Implied condition as to quality or fitness. Section 17 Sale by sample. Chapter 3 Effect of contract. Section 18 Good must be ascertained. Section 19 Property passage when intended to pass. Section 20 Specific good in the deliverable state. Section 21 Specific goods to be put into deliverable state. Section 22 Specific good in a deliverable state when the seller has to do anything thereto in order to ascertain price. Section 23 Sale of uncertained goods and appropriation. Section 24 Goods sent on approval or on sale or return. Section 25 Reservation of right of disposal. Section 26 Risks prime facie passage with property. Transfer of title. Section 27 Sale by person not the owner. Section 28 Sale by one of the joint owner. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.